Hey y'all, I'm Brianna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my iPad Pro 11-inch accessories. So I recently got the brand new 2020 iPad Pro. I got the 11-inch size in the color Space Gray. So here is the case that I've been using lately for the last couple of days. I got this for $16.99 on Amazon, and all of the different accessories that I mentioned will be linked down below if you guys want to check them out or purchase them for yourself. So this is a super cute leather case. On the front, you have a pocket right here if you want to put like papers or anything in there, and then there's a strap that you can wrap around it, and it really just kind of feels like a notebook, like a leather bound notebook. And so on the back there is a hole for your camera so that you can still take pictures or videos with the case on. And then when you open the case, here's the iPad, and on this side right here, there's a handle, which I haven't used, but I guess if you wanted to go like this and then maybe have your hand on it, and then you could be doing stuff like that. And there's also two different grooves right here, so that if you wanted to prop up your iPad and kind of have it just standing on its own, you can use those to put your iPad in. I really like this case for only being $17. It's a super durable case, and it really makes me feel like my iPad is protected. And on the inside, there is a hard shell case attached to it that you just snap your iPad in. So the actual iPad itself, when I first got it, I bought the iPad with the Apple Pencil 2, and it kind of felt weird to write on the screen. I've never owned an iPad before, but it literally just felt like I was writing on screen. So I ordered also on Amazon. All this stuff actually is from Amazon. These screen protectors came in a pack of 2, and these are paper-like film screen protectors that are supposed to feel like you're writing on paper. And I wouldn't say it feels like paper, but it definitely makes it feel a lot nicer and easier to be able to glide the Apple Pencil across. This came in a pack of 2, and let me look up how much it cost. So on Amazon, this was from the seller Bursum, and it costs also $16.99 for 2 packs of those. Yeah, overall I really like this. It was kind of extreme to put it on. It had a whole list of steps, but it wasn't too difficult, and it definitely did make it feel a lot better to write on. So next is the pencil, and my only complaint about this case is that, so my Apple Pencil 2, I ordered a sleeve to protect it. I read and heard in some videos that because of the way the Apple Pencil snaps to the side of your iPad magnetically, that over time, because it's metal snapping to metal, it can kind of damage that side of the iPad. And so I bought a silicone cover for my pencil, but with the case, it makes the pencil like really stuck in there because it's meant for just an Apple Pencil, not for an Apple Pencil with the case. So I can't pull the pencil out. Like, it's literally impossible to pull it out that way. So what I have to do is, let me show you guys. On this back part, there's like a hole right here, and so I will flip the case over like this and then use my finger to push it out the back way, which isn't that big of a deal, but yeah, just a minor thing about this case. So here's the Apple Pencil 2. I bought a silicone case that covers the entire thing. It also came with these caps to put on the end of the pencil, but it made writing feel even worse, and so I only put on the part of the case that covers the length of the pencil, and the tip is just that regular Apple Pencil tip. So that is everything that I've been using basically on a daily basis, but I actually just got a package from ProCase, and thank you to ProCase for sending me a couple of free iPad accessories. Everything that I just talked about on here, the pencil, the iPad itself, this case, and the screen protector, I purchased myself, but I did receive a few free cases from ProCase. This video is not sponsored in any way, but they did just reach out to me to send some free cases. So these next 3 cases are all the same but in different colors. So I got one in black, a gray color, and a navy from ProCase on Amazon, and these are just really slim cases, and so this part is hard that you would put your iPad in, and then this part is kind of like a soft cover. These cases are really thin compared to my leather one, but this is just more lightweight, and I like having different options depending on either where I'm taking it or if I want to have a thicker or thinner type of case. So I got these 3. This is the navy color, this is the gray, and then I got it in black, and these are all the same ones. And these cases on Amazon are called the Slim Hardshell Protective Stand Covers for the iPad 11. I believe they also have these for the 12.9-inch iPad, and they retail for $12. They're super affordable, but just be aware that they are very thin cases. So if you order one of these, I would also recommend my leather case if you like that style, for having a more protective, thicker case. And then there was one more case that ProCase sent to me. So this one, according to their Amazon store, was actually made for the iPad 12.9-inch. I decided to get this and use this as a laptop sleeve. So I have a MacBook Air that's 13 inches and it actually fits perfectly in here. So this is just a really cute black leather case. I like stuff that's like leather or faux leather, and then it magnetically snaps and opens. There's a little tiny like card thing right there. I haven't used that, but this fits my MacBook Air perfectly. So if you have a 13-inch laptop or MacBook, this is a really nice sleeve. I personally don't put cases on my MacBook anymore. I have in the past those like hard snap-on shell cases, but they ended up damaging some of the corners of my laptop, and so with this one, I'm only going to use a sleeve to carry it, and while I'm at home, I just won't have anything on that. So those are all of my iPad accessories. I definitely plan on making more iPad videos as I learn to use it more. I'm a newbie to the iPad. I've never had a tablet or iPad before, so it's been amazing just kind of exploring it and getting different apps and stuff like that. So if you guys want to stay tuned with all of my Apple and iPad and tech videos, make sure that you are subscribed down below. I post a new video every single Sunday and Thursday. I'm possibly thinking about maybe throwing in a third video somewhere in the week if I can, but stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys are staying safe and have a great rest of your day. Bye y'all.